Hey, it's your girl Chab. Today I'm coming at you with a review on the new Revlon Photo Ready Candid Glow Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation. Yes! Y'all probably having deja vu, okay? Because I did review the Candid Foundation before. But this is the glow version. You know your girl love a glow. Nobody, I repeat, I don't know anybody who has talked about this foundation already, okay? And I don't really like to watch reviews to begin with anyway. I don't like to read about it. I don't like to do nothing. I like to just put it on the skin, figure it out, and then go about my day. And then finally, when I have my thoughts all gathered up together, then I'll spill the tea and then I'll go check out what other people are thinking about. That's the process. That's the way it works. That's how it rolls. So anyway, I'm here to inform the kids today because none of y'all booty gurus are informing the kids. And you know, some people don't want to buy Pat McGrath or Charlotte Tilbury and stuff. Well, here's Revlon coming through with a glow, okay? Or is she? So I already tested it out. It's on my face today. Can you tell? If you want to know my thoughts, if you want to know how it wore on the skin, if you want to know if it's right for you, if you should spend your money at CVS or whatever retailers carry this foundation, then let's get started. As always with any product review, I like to read about it. I have my phone right here. It's on silent, it's on autopilot. If you don't want to hear me ramble and rant and read, then you can skip to here. Y'all welcome. We are on Revlon.com because ain't nobody got this on their website for some reason. This product has no reviews because I'm telling you, nobody has talked about this foundation, okay? Why? I don't know. This foundation is for $10.99. The description, it says, just show your glow, incredibly lightweight and protective. This creamy liquid foundation evens your skin tone and minimizes the appearance of the things you'd rather not see while moisturizing and giving you the dewy skin you've always wanted. I love me some dewy skin. Our long wear foundation is packed with all of the skin loving ingredients you want. Plus, we made sure it's made without parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, and harsh fragrances. Details, it says here that, oh, there's a lot of details. You can get the dewy skin of your dreams and stuff. It's infused with prickly pear oil for a lasting moisture and glow. It's innovative, it's creamy, and it's very lightweight. It just pretty much evens out your skin tone. You can control the glow, skin coverage. It's a sheer to medium buildability. I didn't know that was a word. And it's apparently long wearing. It's not cakey. It doesn't feel greasy or tacky. It has a lot of skin loving ingredients, including anti-pollution and anti-blue light ingredients, antioxidants, vitamin E to help block environmental aggressors. It's made without the bad things, okay, for show. And it's good for dry skin. It comes in 16 versatile creamy liquid shades. Yes, ma'am. You know how to use foundation and stuff. If you don't know how to use foundation, I did back in the day a makeup 101 and stuff. I don't know how current it is. If you want me to update it, please let me know in the comments down below and I could update it. But y'all should be knowing how to do your skin by now. And if you don't, you better learn. This right here comes with a premium pump package. So this is very similar to the Candid foundation. I don't have the old one anymore because I gifted away. I just did a whole like declutter of my makeup. I don't know if you follow me on my social medias, but I pretty much took the things that, like, not necessarily I didn't like, it was more like I don't really grab from these items very often. So I just figured I'm gonna gift it to people who I know will probably use it, or, you know, shout out to my best friends. You better be wearing your bronzers. I had over, like, I want to say 70, 80 foundations, and I bought every single one of them, okay? Hashtag not monetized. So with that being said, I use a lot of this product here. I've had this for a little bit, but let me tell you the tea. So let's start off with the claims that it has. As far as the formulation goes, I don't see any difference as far as improvements in my skin. I know that my skin is for the most part dry combination with a little bit of an oily T-zone. I feel that this foundation stays on my face. It wears for a while. This has been on my face, I want to say, since 4 in the morning. It is now 7:14 6:14 p.m. I'll show you right here on my phone. I've been working the whole day. I've been talking to people and stuff. My highlight, my bronzer, my blush is still on my face. Everything is still on my face. It stayed put. Now I want to talk about the coverage real quick here. So it says light to medium buildable coverage. And I'll have to agree. I don't think it gets to that medium though, because I feel the need to put on concealer. I did put on concealer today. My concealer kind of sucks, okay? I'm gonna let you know right now because I use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Like, I used to live for that concealer before, but it's kind of butt now. So I don't know what's going on, NARS. Y'all need to get together. Maybe mine is kind of old, so I don't know. But going back to this foundation, doesn't cover a whole lot. It's a light coverage for sure. So definitely different from the regular Candid foundation. This one is definitely glowy, definitely dewy. I want to say this formulation here is more of like a tinted moisturizer slash BB cream because it kind of has all of the different things that you would want in a foundation as far as skincare goes, but just really, really light coverage. So if you got perfect skin, or if you got skin that you just want to show different textures and things and you don't care about the full coverage stuff, then this product might be for you. And especially if you got dry skin, if you got combo dry skin, you gonna love this foundation. But if you need that full coverage, I don't think this is for you. $10.99, it's not so bad, especially for a drugstore product. It's very inexpensive, and especially if you go to CVS and you get your coupons and stuff, sometimes Revlon be like, hey, you spend $200 and we give you $5 off. So I think it's pretty great. Packaging wise, I really like it. Easy to travel with. It's a squeezy too, but you got a premium pump package. I love me some pumps on the product, so that's great. Now, as far as how I use the product, I am very heavy-handed when it comes to this. I use maybe like 2 pumps all over the face because you know your girl got a big face. Because again, it is a light coverage foundation stuff, so I use 2 pumps. I use it on my whole entire face. I go in with a brush first, which I have been doing lately. I've been using combination of a brush and a sponge. Brush to kind of spread everything out. So let's say this is mayonnaise, okay, and my face is the bread. You're gonna take your spreader, which is, you know, a spoon, a knife, whatever kind of girl or boy you are, hashtag love wins. You're gonna take it and you're gonna spread it out, okay, with the knife. And then when you want to add your different toppings and lay them all out, that's when the sponge comes in. We make it a face sandwich. Ew. So pretty much brush first, then a sponge. You blend it out. You make it nice and seamless and beautiful. And then everything kind of layers on, okay? I am of the mood right now where I don't want too much coverage. I don't need too much coverage. It is the winter time. I just want to kind of like hydrate my skin and just freaking go. I think that this also would be fabulous during the summertime because it's giving you that anti-pollution and stuff. Your skin is already like, you know, vulnerable to the heat and everything or whatever. This is going to give you that light coverage and stuff so you can go to the beach and get all sweaty and stuff because it is long lasting. Stays on the face. You see this face? It's still on, and then at the same time you can still see all the perfections and everything. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. We're just gonna talk quickly about the pros and cons. The pros are that it is lightweight, it stays put all day, so it's long lasting. If you got dry skin, this is very ideal, and it's affordable or inexpensive, however you want to say it. Cons, I want to say that it should come in more undertones. 16 shades is not a whole lot of diversity for sure because, you know, their shade range is kind of off. Like, I couldn't really find my shade, but luckily this is so lightweight that I can kind of get away with the shade that I have. I have 320 tawny, so I'm liking this. It doesn't match me completely because, as you can see, my chest and my neck is a different color from my face, and it just happens. I just can't wear V-necks, but I do anyway. The package gets a little messy. That's kind of it, really. I don't have any issues besides that. And then if you're a full coverage kind of gal or guy, hashtag love wins, then you're probably not gonna like this. And then if you have oily skin, you probably should stay away from it because it's gonna be grease ball city. Unless you like the glow, then go ahead and do the glow, girl. You glow, girl. Anyway, let's get on to my final thoughts. Let's get on to the drum roll. I think you already know how I feel about this foundation. All right, guys, so how do I feel about the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Glow Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation? I'll say that 10 times. It is, drum roll please, it is Chab. As a gal who doesn't want too much coverage in my foundation, as somebody who's just trying to blah 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 and head out the door, I think this is a great foundation stuff. For glam days, not so much, but for every day, girl, get you a Candid Glow. Hashtag not sponsor. Revlon, you better sponsor me and stuff. I've been giving you all this revenue. Give me some Revlon revenue, okay? Leave a comment down below. Have you tried this foundation out yet? Have you seen a beauty YouTuber try this foundation out yet? Because I haven't seen nobody talk about none of this stuff, and I need to know what they think as well and what y'all think. So leave a comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell because yo girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Of your girl Chab, that's me. Wow. On these plus we made sure it's without it. Excuse me. During the winter time. I mean, 5, 4, 3. Oh, it's the food.